Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be making this amazing hair butter for hair growth using just cloves and rosemary leaves. I know, right? These are things we have lying around in our house and we don't even know how powerful they are. This is very good for hair growth. Yeah, me too. I just discovered and I've been enjoying the goodness. So in your blender you want to add your cloves and rosemary, and you want to blend finely. Why I blend these to, when I add my oils, to make sure that I get all the goodness out of it. Yes, so you want to blend this finely. So this mixture helps blood flow to the scalp. Like when you use this to massage your hair, this hair butter we're making, it helps the blood to flow well on your scalp, which in turn helps the hairs to grow faster. This also helps to reduce dandruff and itchiness. So this hair butter is for you if you're having dandruff and itchiness on your scalp. Please do use this hair butter. I added my essential oils. I used olive oil and coconut oil for this mixture. That is my preference. You can also add whatever essential oil that you want to add to your hair. The goal here is for the hair to grow thick, right? So this combination, this mixture also helps to reduce hair loss, and then it soothes your scalp irritation. In my bowl, I added hot water and I allowed this to sit for some hours. Actually, I left it to the next day before I continued with this process. So the next day I sieved it and I got all my goodness out, and this smells so amazing because of the cloves in it. It smells so nice, it was so good. So after I got the oil out, I separated them. I added water in another bowl and I added my shea butter in a stainless bowl, and then I melted it. You can as well do this over the fire, but I prefer to use this method. So guys, please do also subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment. Thank you. After I melted the shea butter, I added the mixture we sieved earlier. I sieved it again because I felt I still have particles in it. Yes, I sieved it again. So you want to mix this together and you pop it in your freeze to harden a little bit, just a little bit, not too much. Then you use your whisk to whisk this. If you have an electric whisk, that will be perfect because it will give you a more fluffier consistency. But this is what I'm working with right now, so I used my manual whisk to whisk. So after I whisked it, I poured it into this nice shea butter container and the other container. So this smells so nice. It repels lice because of the cloves that we have in this mixture. It will help to repel lice and is good for hair growth. So guys, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, do well to comment also if you find this helpful. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.